Electrostatic sprayers. Disinfectant service by JMD Janitorial. This misting technology envelops surfaces, allowing the disinfectant to effectively penetrate any material. It is applied with electrostatic sprayers, which maximize coverage, kill viruses and bacteria in 60 seconds. These tools are designed for high-touch areas like door handles, lights, switches, elevator buttons, and handles. This technology generates no harmful byproducts or irritants. It is safe even for people with respiratory difficulties. Our disinfection system uses an innovative application method that allows JMD Janitorial to treat spaces that traditional commercial disinfectants cannot reach.